It all starts with an opportunity to change things, to grow, to make something new, or better, or more available, or maybe all of the above, to make the once impossible possible.
But that closeness to America is also helping change its image into a modern industrial boomtown.
But it's not just about growth or efficiency. It's not about numbers. It's about impacting the lives of people, of those who create and those who use your product. It's about pushing your vision forward. That is why we are here. To build an infrastructure for success, enabling you to thrive through opportunity while minimizing risk. To create a partnership built on opportunity and trust, with a willing, talented, and prepared workforce. A welcoming, eclectic, and culturally recognized city that is part of a border region with endless potential, where we can help you set up quickly and efficiently, adapting to your company's specific needs every step of the way, so you can not only reach your goals, but do it in a socially responsible way. Because we've been doing this for over 40 years. It's more than just a collaboration. It's a partnership. CPI, Success in Motion.